because without guide nothing inside. With a guide everything inside. Sir.
Everything inside.
Yes. Kama Sutra's paintings.
Okay, I got it. Yeah.
And jacuzzi, bathtub.
Yeah. Okay.
Sun bathroom.
But you know what? I'll be
Without
honest. We came pretty late, so not this
No,
time.
I will give you
Next
quickly because
Quickly, it's no fun. It's boring. Quickly, I won't understand anything.
it quickly means
I'm pretty dumb. You know, I need a lot of time to understand things when you explain. So we have reached the top of the fort, and that's the gate, I believe. So this is how the kings used to live. They probably walk at night, and that's a little nice garden. There's one more room out there. Let's check what else there. So this is probably the king's room, one of king's room out there, where they used to stay thousands of years ago. But the steps are pretty steep. This is probably one of their luxurious balcony. Yeah, it was. That's a balcony. You set your orders here. You rule the world from here. So I'm not sure if you can see this well from this camera, but there are two cooking utensils that like a huge cooking utensils. Maybe that's where they used to cook for all the people living out here back in the day. Making my way back into the other side, and these are the windows. They probably used to sit out here and just, sip some tea and enjoy the view. Anyway, we'll move on from here, and there's like a way to a different room. Someone has written something here, I'm not sure what, it's all squiggle. That's another room. So a few more windows. It's another door. And down to, I don't even know where this will lead me to, but I can see another sort of like a empty space, open sky, and then moving ahead, I see what I can find. There's like a long corridor, but I'll take this way. Making my way down here. This is another corridor. There are no steps. It's just the flooring. No steps. I can only imagine being a king and just walking down these corridors, dark corridors, and it's getting darker, and then you rule your place from here. But even though it's all it's like a corridor, it's still well ventilated. You can see this ventilation, and there's no issues of feeling congested or lack of oxygen. And this is blocked now, and I believe this leads somewhere down this place, but they have blocked it for some reason. Oh, this is locked again. I'm stuck or what? So it's almost there. I see another corridor out there. This is the garden, and the garden is still well maintained. There are guards. Maybe you're not allowed to go inside here. And I believe there are two ways, one from this way, another from this way. There are not many crowds out here, but I see people taking this way more. This room is locked, so I think this is the whole place. I think I have covered enough, and now trying to find my way out to the exit before I get lost in one of those rooms. The wall work really caught my eyes. Excuse me, where's the exit? So this is the wall work, and it's very detailed. And now I'm trying to make my way back to the exit. So this is the exit. So this is how the kings used to exit, making their way out. And there will be people out there greeting him with flowers back in the day. But now I'm no king, I'm just a small blogger, right?
Right. Hello, bro.
Exit is towards this exit. This way. Thank you. Making our way down to the exit. People trying to hustle, get more business. Now they have opened all the shops. Made my way back to the exit, and there's like a huge gate. And I see these two huge utensils they probably used to cook here back in the day. So huge. I'm sure for a place like this there will be a lot of king's people, so they need to cook for a lot of people. This is one of those utensils from back in the day, and there's another here, and there's another here, but I just see a Fanta bottle out here right now, and I see a hole out there. Can you cook out here?
Yes.
Do you want to cook your own dish out here? It's a lot of food. Huge.
Like a swimming pool.
Swimming pool. Making my way outside, and then we're gonna head on to a different location. Some nice boots out there, better than my worn out and dirty sneakers. And now I'm going out to meet the guy who dropped us here, and then we'll go somewhere. Go down. No thanks. I just saw this place, and I can see some stairs. Not really sure how to go up there, and I believe these are one of the weaponaries back in the day. Let's try to check out this place. No? Just one picture. Thank you. That's the lake. So that's a view, and the cop didn't really. It's not really allowed, but he said it's okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
And the view from here is something like this. I know it's pretty windy. I'm not really sure if the audio is okay. We were somewhere over there, so I'll go check the place out there. People busy making reels, taking photographs, and let's see what's out there. People seem to get really lost out here. They are just, once they reach out this place, and there's a different vibe to it. Maybe they go back to the day where the kings and queens used to rule here. There are many monkeys out here. What selfie? And there's a monkey. So I think that's about it for the fort. I'm not sure where else to go. Even though you take the jeep, you still need to walk. But I don't really mind walking all the way down. But the jeep guys were very consistent. They wanted me to take their ride, so I thought, okay, maybe we could explore a few more places. But to be honest, I don't really mind walking in these kind of old roads and just explore more, talk to people, get to hear about their stories. And the reason I took the jeep, because I thought, they might take us to some more locations. He warned us about shops like this, not to get scammed, and be careful about whatever amount of money we pay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So waiting for a jeep. I have to find the jeep now. Where is the jeep? There's our guy. And now I'm gonna ask him where he's taking me to. Okay, so where are we going now?
Yes, and village art.
Village art. So we are making our way to a different location. So that's the view from on the way down. And now the same way we made our way up, we're going down these steep roads. You get a view of the village from here. So I asked him if this place is 1,000 years old, how come the houses are still new? He said it's all developed. Only
Old buildings.
These are the old buildings.
7-inch storage building.
Okay,
First and last.
1,000 years old. 1,000 years old.
Yes.
So he's saying these are the 1,000 years old buildings. It's still the same way. They haven't really maintained this place. And we are back into the hustle and bustle of the village, I would say. And I think that's about it. And then I'll try to see if I can find more stuff. The just making our way down to the lake. So what are you going to do now after dropping us?
दूसरा टूरिस्ट देखेंगे मिल जाएगा
If not,
अगर नहीं मिला तो फिर
so I just asked him to drop me here by the side of this lake. Okay, thank you.
वेलकम